Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Hello, hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Hello, hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Hello, hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Good morning everyone! Nagbabalik po ang Oragon Sports TV para sa ating championship round ng ating Rookies Division. It's between Batch 2012 versus Batch 2018. At andito pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators para maghatid po ng mga bakbakang gusto nyong makita sa loob ng court. I am Cristina Canzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta at live na live nga tayo ulit dito sa loob ng Ateneo para masuksihan ang bakbakan between these two rookies na talaga namang magpapasiklab at sino ang makakakuha ng panalo this morning. Nakalive po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, kaya sa mga hindi po makakapunta dito sa ating venue, pwede po kayong mag-comment, sumuporta via our live coverage.
And of course, live din po tayo sa Facebook page ng Ateneo Alumni League. Kaya naman para sa mga kabatch po ng ating mga maglalaro ngayong mga players, tutok lamang po kayo o bumisita po kayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo Covered Court para talagang masaksihan nyo ang init ng laban na ito.
Yan, in a few minutes, magsisimula natin ang bakbakan between these two great teams. Kung kanina nga may nanalo na, let's see dito sa pangalawang game kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran. Maya-maya aabangan natin yan dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Hello, hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pas, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat brothers, we
Hoy!
And we are back inside the Ateneo covered court. para dito sa ating Rookies Division Championship.
Jersey number 41, power forward, Calma. Jersey number 31, shooting guard, Ateneo. Jersey number 13, shooting guard, Carmelos. Jersey number 8, shooting guard, Fernandez.
At ito na nga po ang ating mga players from both sides, the batch 2012 and the batch 2018. So let's see, sino nga ba yung makakakuha ng kampyonato dito? This is a knockout championship. So let's see kung sino ang una makakuha. Ng momentum sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Seconds. And I'll be shaking for today. Game 2. And referee, Mr. Jose Valencia. Umpire 1 is Hardshed Luis. And umpire 2, Mr. Teddy Harby. And the table of the shot is Austrian scoreboard. And the score sheet is AALEAGUE. And to the earth, on the paper, Mr. Jeffrey Juan. Result for the Game 2 Rookies Division. First fight.
Ngayon mga kapamilya, titinan natin kung ano nga bang preparation ng batch 2012 para dito sa ating championship round ng ating Rookies Division. Andyan po ating courtside reporter na si Dylan.
Manoyz Weekend Bicolanja. I am your courtside reporter on the sidelines of Batch 2012, Dyana Talagtag. As the championship continues, we will witness another matchup between great teams in Rookies Division. Batch 2012 are known for their high energy and unstoppable determination. Every movement, it shows their skills and talent inside the court. Ngayon, makakasama natin ang playing coach ng Batch 2012, jersey number 24, Mr. De Jesus. So sir, good morning. So sir, tanong ko lang, since sa championship na tayo, is there any adjustments sa game plan or bagong game plan for this matchup?
Actually, wala naman kaming game plan na inayos. Pero ginawa lang namin is we continue our own. We started from defense, of course. And then, kulang kaming manpower ng tao namin. Hindi ito yung dapat na players namin. But then, we do what we can here.
So sir, second question, how confident are you na kayang-kayang idumina ng Team Batch 2012 ang opponent natin for today?
Well, we've been here for around 10 years already. So we're all actually part of the pioneering batch ng rookie season na to. So basically, very confident kami when itong laro na to. Sobra. As in, dedicated masyado yung buong batch namin for this one.
So sir, lastly, any message to your co-players?
None so far, we defense lang kami and then laro and kalaro, hindi kalaban. Yun lang sa amin. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and good luck po for this matchup. This is more than just a game. It is a pride, legacy, and bragging rights on the line. So stay locked in because the ball is up, the clock is ticking, and the Batch 2012 is ready to make some noise. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, according to their playing coach, talagang they are ready and prepared for this battle. Since ito nga yung last game or the finals, dito nila ibubuhos yung ginawa nilang game plan. Although nga nabanggit dito ni coach na kulang yung manpower on their side, but again, the adjustment is there, the readiness is there. Talagang they are ready to take on the battle against their opponent. So let's see kung magagawa ba yung game plan na sinabi dito ng kanilang coach dito sa kanilang magiging laro this morning. And on the other side of things, to know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Famki. Hi, Famki, kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Hello again to our basketball fans. Welcome to another exciting game of Ateneo Alumni League. Ngayon mga kaibigan, the spotlight is on the 2018 team, a batch full of youthful energy, skill, and fire. They may be a newer alumni but they are here to show and prove what they've got it takes to compete. At syempre ako ang makakasama ninyo upang maghatid ng updates on the side of them. Pero bago ang lahat mga kaibigan, kasama natin ngayon ang coach nila. Walang iba kundi si Coach RJ. So hello po Coach RJ. Anong preparasyon po ba ang ginawa ng team ninyo? Ano po yung aabangan namin?
Siguro ang preparasyon na ginawa namin is yung pagpapatibay pa ng chemistry ng team, which is yung pagsasama-sama gabi-gabi, like isa inuman, ganyan. And siguro ang abangan sa team namin ay mga tres nila, lalo na yung ayaw na number 2. Yan. Tapos yung point guard nila na si Arevalo.
Thank you very much. At this point naman, anong mensahe mo para sa Ateneo community and syempre sa mga nanonood ngayon?
Siguro ang mensahe ko lang is manood lang kayo at enjoy ang game dahil minsan lang ito nagsasama-sama ang lahat na alumni ng Ateneo.
That's all po. Thank you very much. So if I were to describe them in 3 words, I'd say matibay, matapang, at palabangan. Abangan ang kanilang laban kontra Batch 2012. Dito lang yan sa Ateneo Alumni League. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Famke. Ayan nga, handang-handa itong ating batch 2012. Para sa ating bakbakan ngayong umagang ito. Kaya titingnan po natin kung yung game plan nga ba na ginawa nila dito magagawa nila sa loob ng court. As we can see, we are tied on 4-all. And there's a whistle foul here. So 2 free throws will be given here to jersey number 23.
You know what, tama nga yung sabitin dito ng coach na na-interview ni Famke because ito yung time na magsasama-sama ulit yung alumni on the side of the inside the court. So the team Ateneo talagang kailangan ditong ipakita kung ano yung samahang na build nila all throughout this year, and this time this is the final, so they need to be 100% ready and prepared para makuha ang kampeonato this morning. Now, the ball is on the side of batch 2018. Heavily guarded here. Finding his way, unsuccessful on that attempt, and a foul was called on the side of the batch 2010. So, Decena will be stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. Seven-4 is our score. Now libreng libre with that layup, so another 2 points was added on the batch 2018. So looking good para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter. No good on that attempt. Offensive rebound, jersey number 31. Wala pa din. But the ball is still on their side. Time to shoot. And a whistle coming from our referee.
Now a 5-point lead of 2018. 5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining for our first quarter. The 2012 pull-up jumper, that's good. Now let's see ano gagawin dito ng 2018 batch of Ateneo to secure this gap. Jersey number 24 passes on the corner. Heavily guarded here, double team inside. Pero tapik para dito sa side ng 2012, dire-diretso. Second chance point, that's good. With that, a timeout was called on the side of batch 2018. 8-9. Kung kanina, medyo malaking 5 points yung nilamang dito ng 2018. Right now, isang puntos na lamang ang kanilang hawak dito against 2012. 4 minutes and 59 seconds remaining.
So ito yung sinasabi kanina during the coach's interview on the side of batch 2012 na yun nga, they are ready and prepared, and a lot of years na magkakasama na nga itong team na ito. So the chemistry is there. Yun ang yung pinag-igihan dito on their side. So slowly but surely nakakakusin sila ng magandang passing and at the same time point conversion. That's why napatawag dito ng timeout ang batch 2018 because isang puntos na lamang dito ang kanilang kalamangan. So let's see after the timeout what are the adjustment on the side of batch 2018 because yun nga nakita natin dito na isang puntos na lamang yung kailangang ingatan nila at dagdagan if they want to win this match against the batch 2012.
Now let's see here. Cuenco with the ball. Goes inside, passes on the corner. Jersey number 2 tries for a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, but look at that defense coming from 2012. Natawagan nga sila dito ng foul.
Jersey number 2, Rosani. Penalty. Second personal foul. And penalty.
Now jersey number 23 for 2 free throws here. First free throw, that's good. Now let's see for his second free throw here. That's good. Now, 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining here for our first quarter. Let's see on the side of 2012. Jersey number 2 with the ball. Passes inside. Heavily guarded here. Step back. Passes to jersey number 4. Mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin dito. For the third time, jersey number 5. They executed it too well with that kind of defense from the side of 2018. Jersey number 2 again. Wala pa rin. Once again, a point lead of 2018. 4-minute mark.
Jersey number 5, Alepante was successful. So, the table has turned on the side of batch 2012. Again, napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito on their side. Now, batch 2018 with the ball possession. But a foul was called to jersey number 4, Odiamar. Another free throw opportunity on the side of batch 2018. So it is basket counting that last sequence coming from jersey number 0, but unsuccessful on the 3-point attempt.
Now Hernandez with the ball here for the side of 2012. Passes on the inside. Deflected by the 2018, but jersey number 4, Odiamar. Now Rosary almost loses it. Jersey number 8. Heavily guarded here. A snatch from the side of 2018. But a pushing foul was called on jersey number 30.
First personal foul and penalty.
Now the batch 2018, or rather 2012, is now on the penalty situation. That's why jersey number 24 again will be given 2 shots on their side. No good. One more time for him.
Well, they needed this free throws, most especially with this crucial point and crucial gap of these two teams. Now Odiamar, an opportunity for 2012. Settling in for his team. Passes to jersey number 8. Back to Odiamar. Whistled foul. Ball stays on the side of 2012.
Jersey number 21. First personal foul, second. Team foul.
12-14 here. Still the ball possession of 2012. Jersey number 5 to inbound. Long pass here to Hernandez. To the other side, Odyamar. Jersey number 2. Ball rotation there, but loses it.
6 seconds to shoot.
With 6 seconds to shoot, let's see. Para dito sa ating 2012. Deflection.
The jersey number 21, Derecho, but unsuccessful on that layup. Now, batch 2012, again with the ball possession. Jersey number 30. Loses that one. And now, 1v1. But Vallejos hindi nakakuha dito ng puntos para sa batch 2018.
Now, Vallejos. With the ball. Now tries. Jersey number 23, Remoto. Too short for that one. Now Gumba. Passes here to Rosary. Back to Gumba. So in on the side of 20 club. Odyamar once again. Nagmamadali dito. We're stuck on 12-14 here for our first quarter. Minute and 24, but Ali Panting and the drought on their team. A basket with a foul. 3-point opportunity here for Remoto.
So this time a much needed point on the side of batch 2018 because a while ago there's a lot of chances on their side but talagang na bibitin dito when it comes to their shooting itong batch 2018. That's why nahabol nga dito ng 2012 yung kanilang score, and at this moment we are all rather 16-14 is our score. Another timeout was called on the side of batch 2012.
Yes, but of course, as we can see, the defense on both sides very evident dito sa ating dalawang koponan. So let's see how this first quarter, at the same time, the remaining quarters will unfold between these two teams. Again, this is a championship, knockout championship of 2012 and 2018. Now Remoto for his one free throw, that's good. A 3-point play coming from him. A minute and 12 remaining for our first quarter. Now Ciudadano with that inbound. At 2012, an opportunity for them. Back to Ciudadano. Pass here to jersey number 30. Heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot. On the other side, jersey number 24. Ball stays on the side of 2012. With just 5 seconds to shoot here. Alipante. No good. Offensive rebound. Fade away. No good. A whistled foul. 14-17, 3-point gap of 2018. With the remaining 40 seconds. Jersey number 24 now. 2 free throws, no good. Second free throw, no good. But that's good, rather. Basket count.
And now last 35 seconds for this first quarter. Still, batch 2018 leading this game. Alipante will try for that long two. And successful on the side of batch 2012. Now batch 2018. What will they do with this remaining 10 seconds? Jersey number 24 to jersey number 21. Unsuccessful para kay Recuenco, and that's it. That's the end of our first quarter. 18-16, batch 2018 leading by 2 points. We'll be right back for our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa ala-ala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista, kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are back for our second quarter of this championship knockout game between the batch 2012 and batch 2018. 16-18 on our score. Now, 2012 with the ball possession. Dire-diretso dito para kay jersey number 8. And now this is their chance para sa ating second quarter. Deadlock on 18. Jersey number 33. But a traveling violation. Now let's see here. Ciudadano with the ball. Almost loses it. And a whistled foul.
First personal foul, first team foul.
14 seconds to shoot on the side of 2012. Fernandez pass to jersey number 30 on the corner. Another opportunity here. But 2018, Recuenco rather, but loses it. Leonardo was there. Jersey number 24 now. Back to Leonardo. Pero after that series of ball rotation, goes to the side of 2012, Ciudadano. Passes to Gumba. Back to Ciudadano. Alipante tries. The model checks in once again on the side of 2018.
And now ball on the side of batch 2018. Here's number 24. No good. And now Ciudadano passing it to Fernandez. Goes inside for that layup, and it is basket. So the lead is on the side of batch 2012. Now chance on the side of batch 2018 to tie this match. Remoto, 10 seconds to shoot. An attempt for 3, no good. And offensive rebound, 10 seconds to shoot. Wala pa din, and now the ball will goes on the side of the batch 2012.
Another timeout was called here. From the side of 2018, because looking at our score, there's a lot of opportunities on their side. Good intention, but poor execution on their side. 20 for the side of 2012 and 18 on the side of 2018. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. So let's see here. Kung anong gagawin ng ating dalawang kupunan dito.
Now, 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for this first half, and we are back to the ball game. Ball possession will go on the side of batch 2012. Another opportunity for them to widen the gap para dito sa ating second quarter. Now Fernandez to inbound. The ball goes on the side of 2012. 10 seconds to shoot. And to hear an update on the side of batch 2018, let's call our courtside reporter Famke. Hi Famke, kumusta? Anong update on
On
your
the
side?
court, mercy doesn't exist. You prove who must lead. Isang matinding laban sa pagitan ng batch 2012 and 2018 mga kaibigan. Para sa pagtatapos ng first quarter, naghahabulan lamang sila ng puntos. Dikit lang ang naging laban mga kaibigan, kaya hindi dapat maging kampante ang batch 2018. They need to maintain energy and sharpness inside the court. Sa puntong yon mga kaibigan, batch 2018 ang nanguna. Abangan kung maaabutan ba sila ng batch 2012 o tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-angat ng puntos nila. Abangan yan dito lang sa Ateneo Alumni League. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Famke. Ayan nga, ready itong ating batch 2018 para sa kanilang laban against 2012. And as we can see right now on our screen, there's a little tension between the players of two teams here. So our officials asking for both teams to go back on their benches. So let's see what really happened on that last sequence. But right now, on the side of 2012, well, the second quarter, the momentum is on their side, most especially the connection of the players here. So to hear an update from the side of batch 2012, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Dylan. Dylan, take it away.
Winning tip, batch 2012 sets the pace with quick ball movement and confident offense. Kita rin ang composure at focus ng team for them to continue getting points. Team communication ang ipinapakita ng batch 2012 na nag-work naman on their side. The team are motivated to fight stronger and wiser. Batch 2012 established a strong ball movement. The guards are pushing the pace, looking confident, scanning the floor, and creating opportunities. The team are applying pressure, forcing their opponents to work hard for every possession. Stay tuned as this game continues. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, batch 2012, very comfortable dito sa ating pangalawang quarter because again, kung kanina they are down on that first quarter, but sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, doon umarangkada itong si Alicante. Together with Diana and Gumba, talagang they work hard for every points. That's why abante sila dito ng isang puntos. And now back to the ball game. And jersey number 31, naagawan nga dito ng bola. And now, unsuccessful para kay jersey number 24, but the ball remains on their side.
No. Still ball possession here of 2018. Let's see. Pass on the corner, tries for a three-pointer. No good. Taduya with that rebound. Fernandez, heavily guarded here. And a steal coming from the side of 2018. Naseno. This time, naipasok niya na yan. I mean, it's Vallejos rather. Now, another steal coming from the side of 2018. That's good para dito kay Ayaw. And we're looking at the back-to-back points of batch 2018. Another timeout was called here. So let's see. Now, let's see after this timeout, anong gagawin dito ng 2012. Once again, naghahabol po sila dito ng 3 points. and the mini momentum in the run on the side of 2018. Of course, with the connection and communication between the players here. So let's see what will be the answer of batch 2012. Now Ciudadano with the ball. Let's see. With this kind of defense on the side of 2018. Pupunta ang bola on the side of 2018. 2023, 5 minutes and 33 seconds remaining on our first half. Now, Naseno. Long three. No good. Fernandez with that rebound. 2012 settling in. Passes to Ciudadano. Now that ball rotation, but didn't go inside. Marty. That's good. An assist coming from Ayaw.
What a game on the side of 2018. Sunod-sunod nga dito yung runs na nagagawa on their side. 25-20. Anong sagot dito on the side of 2012? Kasi kanina sila dito yung umaarangkada. But again, those are shooting. Medyo pumapalya talaga on their side. So they need to make sure that every ball possession count on their side. Because 2018 is building momentum and fired up at this moment. And again, it's their ball possession. So another opportunity on their side to widen the gap. And look at that. Wide open on that layup. Again, the passing on the side of 2018, making hard on the side of 2012 defenders. Nabasahin kung kanino ibibigay. That is why, again, libreng-libre kanina yung layup na nagawa nitong si jersey number 0 on their side, Vallejos.
Same ball possession here. Rosary checks in para dito sa side ng 2012. 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Now Fernandez with the ball. Look at that. Defenders on the side of 2018. No good. Now jersey number 24 with the ball. Heavily guarded here. 2018. With this offense, Naseno. But a traveling violation committed by Naseno here. A lost opportunity. They need to lessen the turnovers here, both sides. Alipante passes to Fernandez. Few minutes remaining here for our second quarter.
And a foul was called on the side of batch 2012. And a technical foul was called on the side of batch 2012. So jersey number 24 has the chance to add his 27 points on their side with his free throw. But unsuccessful on that first attempt.
Now, ball possession of 2018. Offensive rebound here. Jersey number 24, Naseno. Deflection here. Daduya with the ball. Di diretso dito. Pero whistle foul. minutes and 29 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of 2012. Alipante loses that ball. Pero, andyan. Si Odiamar. Fernandez now pull up. Another whistled foul here. 22-27, a 5-point gap of batch 2018.
First personal foul and penalty. Substitution ref.
Remoto. 2 free throws. First basket was good. Still the gap is on the side of 2018. Now Fernandez heavily guarded here. Passes to his teammates. Out of bounds ball. First three-pointer here on the side of batch 2018. The three-pointer come from Ayaw. Odiamar, 10 seconds to shoot. Same ball possession here too. Minutes and 22 seconds.
8 seconds to shoot.
Odiamar tries.
And now, a great steal coming from Fernandez. So chance for them to cut the lead. Alipante, one-hand layup unsuccessful. But an offensive rebound coming from jersey number 4. And this time, a basket para dito kay jersey number 4, Odiamar. So again, they need to make sure that if the ball goes on their side, a better shooting. And a 20. So basket count on the side of 2018 plus 2 points on their side. A minute and 30 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half.
Jersey number 24. Heavily guarded here by Alipante. Almost loses at Martin. Passes to jersey number 24. Now Remoto. Double team. Now an opportunity for 2012. Rosary goes inside. But loses that one with that pass. A risky one. Now a substitution here. Jersey number 13 checks in for the side of 2012. And jersey number 21. Recuenco para dito sa batch 2018. A minute and 5. A big 10-point gap of batch 2018 here. Nanaseno. Bigay dito kay jersey number 2. A minute remaining. Back to Naseno. Tries for a three-pointer. No good this time. Alipante with that rebound. A lot of fouls here. 44 seconds remaining.
44 seconds.
Jersey number 13 to inbound, passing it to Ciudadano. Mid-range jumper unsuccessful, but an offensive rebound coming from Alipante. And a foul was called to Remoto. Or rather, Recuenco on that last sequence. Alipante has the chance to add their score here with that free throw. Clean basket on that first attempt. They really did this one. Because again, this batch 2018 is slowly pulling away on our scoreboard.
24 seconds to play.
And 34 seconds remaining for this first half. Unsuccessful in that second try now. Batch 2018 with the ball possession. Jersey number 2 looking for his teammate. Jersey number 10 passing it to the wrong person, but the ball remains on their side. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 24 with 5 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Fires for 3, no good. Remoto with that offensive rebound. Jersey number 24 again with that 3, no good. And that's the end of our first half. 34-25 is our score. We'll be back for our second half only here on Oragon Sports TV covering AA League, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. We're rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. We're rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. We're rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala.
And we are back for our second half of this championship game of our Rookies division between the batch 2012 and batch 2018. And the gap between these two teams and the lead is on the side of batch 2018. So let's see the changes in the game plan here of batch 2012 para habulin yung nakuhang kalamangan dito ng batch 2018. So let's see here. Change court for the second half. Ciudadano, no good. Now an opportunity for 2018, Vallejos. 2018 something in for a game plan. Williams with the ball. Passes to Naseno. Naseno goes inside. Ciudadano now. Tatawid ng bola. Passes to Odyamar. Odyamar finding his teammates. Passes to Alipante. No good. Remoto was there for that second chance point.
Again, magandang pasok on the side of Batch 2018 para sa ating second half. Fernandez. And a foul was called to jersey number 0 on that last play. Ball possession still on the side of Batch 2012. Odyamar to Alipante. With 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock, Odyamar forces that one, unsuccessful, and another foul was whistled on the side of 2018. Odyamar stepping on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Now, second free throw para dito kay Odyamar. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of Batch 2018, let's hear it from Dylan.
Thank you, Rick and Tin. As the matchup continues, ramdam pa rin ang gigil ng team to fight despite konting kalamangan ng kalaban. Despite of committing fouls, the team's motivation to continue fighting is unstoppable. Batch 2012 shows great poise under pressure. Every basket is answered. Every run is met with discipline. They execute their plays well, finding open looks and finishing strong inside. However, the team struggled in maintaining their energy na nagresulta ng kalamangan ng opponent. But one thing is for sure, the team are going to make a noise and have their momentum. Ayun muna ang update dito sa side ng Batch 2012. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
And thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, Batch 2012, kailangang ibalik dito yung energy coming from that first quarter because again, naungusan sila dito ng 2018. Tama nga yung sinabi dito ni Dylan na napakaganda rin ang ginagawa ditong passing and ball rotation on the side of 2012. But again, the consistency is not there. But let's see on the second half kung magkakaroon na ba ng consistent plays itong Batch 2012 para makahabol sa kalamangang hawak ng 2018. And speaking of Batch 2018, to know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Fam. Hi, Famki. Kumusta ang inyong batch?
Heart, hustle, and skill are measured only inside the court. Talagang may pusong palaban at fighting spirit ang dalawang koponan. Pero para sa second quarter, mga kaibigan, mas nangibabaw ang puwersa ng Batch 2018 kontra sa Batch 2012. You know what, mga kaibigan, consistency ang kailangan nila dito. Kung gusto nilang maipanalo ang laban na ito, kailangang nasa kamay nila hindi lamang ang bola, kundi ang buong laro. Tutok lang at wag bibitiw. Sabay-sabay nating alamin ang resulta ng magiging laban nila. Dito lang yan sa Ateneo Alumni League. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Famki. Ayan nga, even after the second quarter, it was the domination of Batch 2018 and up until we are almost halfway through our third quarter, the domination is still on the side of 2018, 27-40 from a 10-point gap. Now, napunta na po tayo sa 13-point gap. This is the biggest gap we've had with this duration of our game. So let's see, napatawag na nga ng timeout po itong Batch 2012. So, titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila dito to lessen that gap, bring back the momentum on their side. So, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari, Rick. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. At meron pa tayong isang quarter. So, no room for complacency on the side of Batch 2018 because who knows anong gagawin dito ng Batch 2012.
Yes, with this remaining time of 6 minutes and 37, anything can happen inside this hard court. That's why, if you're on the side of Batch 2012, you need to step up big time at this moment because if you want to catch up, this is the right time for it because again, we only have this 6 minutes remaining and last fourth quarter. So you better catch up if you want to win this finals. Now Alepante successful on the 3-point attempt.
Now batch 2018 with this ball possession. Naseno fighting his teammate, pass to jersey number 0. Vallejos. Naseno heavily guarded here on the other side. Tries for a 3-pointer. No good. Now an opportunity for 2012. Passes to Fernandez. Ano gagawin dito? Pull up jumper, no good. Ayaw with that rebound. Papasok sa loob. But there's a foul whistle. Five minutes and 41 seconds. Ayaw will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. First free throw, that's good. Back to 13-point lead of batch 2018. Misses that second free throw. Now, Fernandez dire-diretso.
Wow, what a great defense on that last one on the side of 2018. Samahan pa yan ng 2 points para dito kay Ayaw. So again, batch 2018 still consistent and has the momentum para dito sa ating laro. And another chance to add their score here with this free throw. 45-30, 15 big points ang kanilang hawak ngayon sa ating third quarter.
Well, yung kailangan gawin dito ng batch 2012 is to really think about their game plan here. Ang nangyayari kasi nagmamadali sila. It's a fast-paced game for their side and hindi nila na-elevate lahat ng mga players dito. So let's see if they can do something about the split gap of batch 2018. Now Ciudadano, no good. And look at that defense of batch 2018. Vallejos naman ngayon on the other side.
Wow.
A continuous scoring on the side of batch 2018. While on the other side, batch 2012, they're still looking for a point here. We're halfway through our third quarter. But still, they're struggling to snatch a point here against 2018. Well, if you will see the defense on the side of batch 2018, talagang bantay sarado itong mga players ng 2012, and even the offense on the side of 2012 hindi pa rin nila nagagawa ng paraan dito. And another whistled foul here on the side of 2012, and Ayaw babalik muli sa free throw line. 30-48. Almost a 20-point gap of 2018. No good on that first free throw. They needed the second one to maintain this double-digit lead against 2012. No good.
And now, batch 2012. Again, they really need to make a point at this moment. But again, no good. Back to batch 2018. Ayaw again goes inside and no hesitation with that layup. And again, Ayaw performing well for this third quarter on the side of batch 2018. And now, Alepante passing it to Fernandez. An attempt for that too. And a much needed point on their side. Again, yun yung kailangan ditong gawin on the side of 2012 because nabanggit mo nga kanina, Tina, nagmamadali sila. That's why every point or ball possession na nakukuha nila, dapat minimake sure nila makakapasok yung kanilang shooting. Because again, yun nga, this batch 2018, kahit ganun nga nasasabayan dito yung fast phase play na kanilang ginagawa. So let's see with this remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds kung magkakaroon na ba dito ng momentum itong side ng 2012, but no good on the 3-point attempt.
32-50. A big 18-point lead. Another steal. Fernandez, solong-solo. Naibaba na sa 16 points. Now let's see if magpapatuloy ba itong pagpuntos ng 2012 or 2018 will still stick to their game plan. And that's a traveling violation called on jersey number 5. Now Fernandez with the ball. Pass to Alipante. Now Gumba with a 3-pointer. Vallejos with that rebound. Pero a snatch here. Nagkakagawa na dito. Too short for that one. Second chance. Still no good. The foul was whistled here. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining.
Jesus to inbound, passing it to Gumba. No good, but an offensive rebound para sa batch 28-12. Fernandez, no good. And now, batch 2018, the basketball. But a great steal coming. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Chance for them to add their lead here.
Another whistled foul here. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. 34-50. Still a double-digit lead of batch 2018. Remoto to inbound. An opportunity here to widen the gap. Now jersey number 5. Passes to Remoto. Still no good here. Now an opportunity. 2012 loses that ball. Loses an opportunity here to lessen the gap.
Out of bounds ball. And the ball possession goes on the side of batch 2018. Another opportunity for them. Last 2 minutes of this third quarter. Recuenco forces that one.
Now,
And a blocking foul was called on the side of batch 2018 and now on the penalty side. So De Jesus stepping on that free throw line for 2 shots to lessen this 2-digit lead on the side of their team.
a minute and 46 seconds remain. Second free throw, no good.
Jesus to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot. Gumba to Fernandez for that 2. And a clean basket for him. A much needed point.
Well, dito sa team ng batch 2012, it was Fernandez stepping up for the team. He is leading the batch 2012. Now let's see here. Baduya. Heavily guarded here, but loses that one. Yan, titingnan natin. A minute and 10 seconds. A minute and 10 seconds remaining. Fernandez.
Gumba to Alipante for 3. No good. Offensive rebound coming from Alicante. Unsuccessful, but the second chance point para kay jersey number 31. Basket count, and now last 49 seconds for this third quarter. 50-38 is our score. Still, batch 2018 is leading.
Ngayon, naibaba na lamang sa 12 ang kalamangan na pinanghahawakan dito ng batch 2018. Now, timeout was called here. On the side of batch 2018, again, it's 38-50 with 12-point gap on their side and 33 seconds remaining. Now, pag natapos na po ang third quarter, last opportunity for both teams para makuha ang kanilang kampiyonato dito. Again, this is our Rookies Division Championship para dito sa ating Ateneo Alumni League 2025. So let's see if magiging consistent ba sa gap na tinatrabaho ngayon ng 2018 or for our last quarter, aarangkada itong ating batch 2012. Now, ball possession of 2012. Goomba with the ball. Now they're settling in as the remaining 27 seconds checks in. Pass to his teammate Goomba.
Passing it to the wrong person now, Cuenco. But a whistle coming from our referee here. Again, our officials are clarifying things. So let's wait on their decision on that last sequence. So,
Jersey number 2 on the side of batch 2012, Rosary. Unsportsmanlike foul yung naitawag sa kanya dyan on that last sequence. So Leonardo will be on that free throw line. 38-50 with 10 seconds to shoot. An opportunity to widen that gap. Now let's see here. 2 free throws will be given to Leonardo plus a ball possession. No good on that first free throw. Now let's see. Second free throw ni Leonardo. And the last 10 seconds is on the side of batch 2018. That's good. 38-51. 10 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. Let's see. Recuenco. Passes to jersey number 23, Demoto. Back to Recuenco for a three-pointer. No good. 3 seconds remaining here. And that's it. That's the end of our third quarter. 38-51 in favor of batch 2018. Let's see, para sa ating last quarter, kung sino nga ba makakuha nito only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa ala-ala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaman ng buhay, may tangal at huwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are back for the final quarter of our Rookies Championship. It's between the batch 2012 and batch 2018. At ang malaking kalamangan ay nasa side po ng batch 2018. So let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng batch 2012 para makahabol sa puntos na ginagawa ng batch 2018. So this is the ball possession of 2012. Now Goomba with the ball. Passes here to jersey number 24. Looking for his teammates. Pass on the corner here. 14 seconds to shoot. Out of bounce ball. Now Goomba once again with the ball. With 10 seconds to shoot here, Dyana tries for a three-pointer. And that's the first basket for our final quarter here. Kailangan na kailangan yan dito sa side ng batch 2012. At ngayon, yung kaninang 20-point cap na ibaba na lamang po sa 10 ng batch 2012. Vallejos tries. No good. Now Dyana with the ball. Passes to Fernandez. Heavily guarded here. So that will be a turnover.
And the ball possession goes on the side of batch 2018. Jersey number 10, Naseno, to inbound. So this is the final quarter for this finals match ng ating rookies. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo. And Aya with the 2 points. Now, batch 2012. The basketball. Dyana looking for his teammate here. Last 10 seconds, but out of bounds. So another turnover para sa kanilang koponan. So it means the ball possession goes on the side again of batch 2018. Vallejos to Ayaw. Again, it's their chance to widen again the gap because medyo dumikit nga dito yung side ng batch 2012. 14 seconds to shoot, but a great steal coming from jersey number 30, Goomba. And to know more about the batch 2018, let's call our courtside reporter, Famke. Hi Famke, anong balita dyan?
And that's it for the third quarter. Every dribble, every pass, and every shoot, talagang pinakita ang determinasyon na meron ang batch 2018. Malayo ang naging pagitan ng puntos nila kontra sa batch 2012. At masasabi natin na isa itong advantage para sa batch 2018. Isa lang ang tanong natin dito. Mapanatili kaya nila ito hanggang sa fourth quarter o mabaliktad pa ang laro? Abangan natin yan dito lang sa fourth quarter ng AALEAGUE. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Famke. Ayan nga yung tanong natin kung mapapatuloy ba ng batch 2018 itong domination all throughout the game or babawi yung batch 2012 in the remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds of this game. Kaya naman, titignan po natin kung ano ang mangyayari dito sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Isa pa.
41-56, and Remoto is now on the free throw line. That's good. Malaki pa rin yung kalamangan na meron dito ang batch 2018. Hindi nila hinahayaan na humabol o mapalapit sa kanila yung batch 2012. So right now, yun yung tanong natin, ano yung gagawin ng batch 2012 naman on the other side para mabawasan, lumapit at makuha yung kampyonato for this championship round. And to hear an update, andyan po si Dylan.
Thank you, Rick and Tin. Batch 2012 is facing a tough struggle. The opponent has pulled ahead, creating a wide gap on the scoreboard. The team is fighting hard, but the opposition is moving the ball quickly, hitting their shots and building momentum. Every possession is crucial, and the pressure is on the batch to close the distance. Despite the score, batch 2012 shows heart driving to the basket, contesting defense and pushing for fast breaks, and they are not giving up. Yan muna ang updates dito on the side of batch 2012. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, batch 2012, this is the moment na dapat bumawi na sila. Because again, this is the final quarter for this match. So hindi pa nakakakuha ulit dito ng lead itong batch 2012 because of the aggressiveness inside the court of this batch 2018. Talagang yung passing, yung offense and defense on their side is on point. Yun nga nabanggit mo kanina dito na whenever nakakapuntos itong batch 2012, talagang may sagot dito yung batch 2018 na kung saan ayaw nilang palapitin or even a single digit lead. Ayaw palapitin itong batch 2018, itong 2012. So let's see as this game progresses with this 7 minutes and 22 seconds kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo this morning or this afternoon rather.
7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for our final quarter, 41-57. And right now, it is the ball possession of batch 2018, Vallejos. Now passes to Remoto, but loses it. Ball will stay on the side of batch 2018. Vallejos to inbound. Passes to Naseno. A good inbound play there. Now they are really securing this big gap, protecting it as we are about to approach the halfway of this quarter. Now Alipante, whistled foul.
Now a foul was called to Vallejos on that last sequence, so Alipante will be having a free throw opportunity on the side of their team. Unsuccessful. Another one para dito kay Alipante.
Mamaya po, after this rookie championship, abangan po natin ang ating seniors championship. It's between the batch 2002 and the batch 2003. Yes, it's juniors division. Batch 2002 and batch 2003. Right now as we continue this ball game, 42-59, 6 minutes and 36. And Baduya getting that point. Lessening the gap here, but still a long run for their team. They really want to snatch the championship. Ayaw, too short for that one, but Remoto was there for that second chance point.
Again, the tag team between Ayaw and Remoto is very much effective on the side of batch 2018. Goomba, no good. Offensive rebound, unsuccessful. And now, Martin passing it to Vallejos. Heavily guarded here by Fernandez. Ayaw on that three. No good. Alepante tries for that layup, unsuccessful, but a whistle coming from our referee. Another foul was called to jersey number 24, Naseno. So another free throw shot ang ibibigay dito kay Alepante.
Now let's see here, 2 free throws will be given to Alepante, 44-63. First basket is in. Now for the second free throw of Alepante. That's good, 2 on 2. Now Naseno with the ball. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Remoto with that rebound.
And Ayaw, tawagan ng foul dito on that last sequence. And the ball possession goes on the side of batch 2012. Domaya almost loses that one. Finding his teammate, Fernandez. Heavily guarded here. And another foul on the side of batch 2018. A lot of fouls committed sa patak ng ating 5 minutes mark on our fourth and final quarter. De Jesus to Fernandez.
Fernandez heavily guarded here. Passes to his teammate. Still no good here para dito kay De Jesus. No securing that rebound. Remoto now. Passes to Ayaw. A back pass. Pero there's a foul whistle. 46-63. A 17-point gap of batch 2018. 4 minutes and 52. Remoto on the free throw line. Mahaba-haba pa kung gugustuhin talaga ng batch 2012 na makuha yung kampeonato na ito. It's a long run for them. They need to focus more on their offense and defense because as we can see, yun yung advantage dito ng mga maliliksing players on the side of batch 2018. Now Remoto. Basket counts. Now Gumba. Baduya with the ball. Passes to Fernandez. Fernandez heavily guarded. Nakakuha siya dito ng foul.
Excluded player. And a penalty.
Batch 2012, 2018.
Now rebound para kay Martin. It's their ball possession. Vallejos taking his time here. Looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Martin to Ayaw. Goes inside. Unsuccessful. Alepante with that rebound on the side of batch 2012. Too strong on that pass. So the ball possession remains on the side of the batch 2018. 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for this match. 65-47. Still the lead is on the side of batch 2018. And another 2 points on the side of batch 2018 courtesy of jersey number 5, and a timeout was called on the side of batch 2012 to clear things up because again we are near to our last minutes of this fourth quarter. So let's see kung makakahabol pa ba ang batch 2012 or the batch 2018. Talagang itutuloy-tuloy na dito yung kalamangan and secure the title on their batch.
A 20-point gap here of batch 2018. Ang haba pa. Doon nga kailangan pagtrabahuan dito ng 2012 if they really want to snatch the win. But with only remaining 3 minutes and 57 seconds, ano yung gagawin nila dito? So let's see if the domination of batch 2018 will continue up until the last seconds and minutes of this game. Now, Ojamar passes to Alepante but loses it. Dito kay Vallejos. Same ball possession here. Alepante to inbound. Gumba, long three, no good. Well, even on the outside shooting of batch 2012, they need to work on that one to lessen a gap here. Now a steal. Ojamar passes to Alepante. Good connection. Well, they needed more of that gameplay. 3 minutes and 19. 2018 now. 14 seconds to shoot. The whistle foul.
A bonus free throw on the side of batch 2018, jersey number 33. With 2 shots here. No good on that first attempt. Another one for jersey number 33 to add the 67 points on their side. And pasok yung last free throw. Ojamar passing it to the wrong person, and the ball possession again back on the side of 2018. And now 2012 with the ball possession. Fernandez successful in that one.
Well, nakita na naman natin yung connection dito ni Odiomar and Fernandez. Now, let's see on batch 2018 still leading. A comfortable lead against 2012. That is on the ground there. A whistled foul. 51-67. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Reguenco. 2 free throws. Basket count on his first free throw.
Another one for Reguenco. So 2 shots was successful. At napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang batch 2012 because look at our scoreboard, 69-51.
And we are about to approach our last 2 minutes of the game of our Rookies Division, who will get the championship. But looking at our score, a lot of chances on the side of batch 2018. 51-70. That's a 19-point gap of batch 2018. So let's see as we continue this ball game. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Jersey number 6 to win back. Well, most of the second stringers on the side of 2012 na ipasok na dito sa ating huling mga minuto. Na Fernandez loses it.
Wow.
Vallejos.
What a great steal and great point conversion on the side of batch 2018. Grabe, the connection and the defense is there. Talagang ayaw bitawan yung bola at ayaw papuntahin sa side ng batch 2012. And look at that. Another attempt but unsuccessful. But still the ball possession is on their side. Jersey number 21, Reguenco, with that beautiful shot.
Now, with us remaining a minute and 41 and a big gap of batch 2018, well, it will be hard for 2012 to lessen that because it was a comfortable lead for batch 2018, and we are just waiting for the final buzzer here. But just like what we've said, hindi tapos ang laban until the last buzzer na maririnig natin. So let's see as we continue this ball game if sunod-sunod na nga ba yung puntos na gagawin dito ng batch 2018. Now Alipante with the ball. Goes inside, tries, deflected. Offensive rebound. Guards are still there for the third time. And that's it para dito kay Calma. A minute and 3. And I think we can finally say, because with this big gap of 2018 and the remaining 47 seconds, batch 2018 really dominated this game from our first quarter up until the last quarter of the game. 27 seconds remaining. And now,
What a great steal coming from the batch 2018. Last 10 seconds of the match. And congratulations to the batch 2018. They are the champion in our rookie division. And still congratulations to batch 2012 for giving us a good fight. 76-55 is our final score. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaka. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaka. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa brothers. We rise together, pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Legends are born on the court, but a league lives through the players and alumni who carry its legacy forward. Isang magandang laban na may magandang resulta ang ating napanood sa pagitan ng Batch 2012 at Batch 2018. Parehong koponan na hanggang dulo ay talagang lumaban. Kasama ko ngayon mga kaibigan, ang best player of the game mula sa Batch 2018, walang iba kundi si jersey number 23. Hello po, congratulations po. So, kumusta po sa pakiramdam na nanalo po kayo?
Unang-una sa lahat, masaya syempre kasi yung hard work namin nagbunga. Yeah.
Congratulations. So, anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ninyo?
Masasabi ko lang, sa una medyo nahirapan kami. More of adjustments, tapos nung tuloy-tuloy na naka-adjust na kami.
Thank you very much. Ano namang mensahe mo para sa kabilang koponan sa Batch 2012?
Sa Batch 2012, thank you sa magandang laro. Pinakita nyo yung sportsmanship. Thank you.
And at this point, anong mensahe mo para sa mga Atenista at sa mga supporters ninyo na talagang nanood?
Sa mga supporters namin, especially sa 2018 na batch namin, thank you sa walang sawang suporta at sa parents ko. Yun lang.
Thank you very much, jersey number 23. Once again, congratulations, and that's it for the best player of the game.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may kangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
At nakilala na nga po natin ang ating kampiyon para sa ating Rookies Division. It's batch 2018 and again, congratulations sa ating dalawang kupunan sa ating batch 2012 and batch 2018. And next game po, ito na po ang ating Juniors Division. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Ako po, si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. And tamang-tama po yung sinabi ni Tin. Meron pa po tayong 2 remaining games for this day. Talagang kaabang-abangan natin dito sa AALEAGUE, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may kangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro.